take flight like a bird in the night. Places bizarre and exciting.
I can't wait till school's over.
I wish we could go to Birdland.
Why couldn't the school bell be a lost note?
5 more minutes? Seems like 5 hours.
What do you guys want to do now? Whoa, Bird's calling us. Let's go!
Your race. Up your flight of time and space. Through the power of music and your imagination. You can go.
I'm totally ready to search for a lost note. Yeah, what's the hap?
It's too awful! Too awful!
Oh no! Where's he sending us?
Back in time?
Into the future?
A trap set by Professor Belton's sour notes?
Camping, Yosemite Falls, California. Hop in.
We'll need to check with our parents first.
Don't worry, Peachy's already spoken with your parents. It's all arranged.
I've always wanted to see Yosemite, one of the most beautiful spots in the world.
That's Half Dome. And over there is Bridal Veil Falls.
Are we here to find a lost note?
Nature is filled with lost notes. But I really thought you kids deserved some time off to relax and enjoy nature.
Nature? Ha! Bugs, rocks, pests, birds? Who needs them?
You might want to rethink that last one.
Think how great this place will be with a big luxury hotel!
That almost happened. Business people wanted to clear-cut Yosemite until a man named John Muir brought President Teddy Roosevelt here.
I've seen a picture of them on my Blueberry. When Teddy saw this place, he turned this land into a national park, and no one can touch it from then on.
For that? Teddy got his face carved into a mountain? If he put in a mini bar and cable TV, he'd still be talked about today.
He is still talked about today.
But not while ordering room service.
Okay, I get the message. You sure you prefer this to camping under the stars?
You camp under the stars. I'll be watching movie stars on cable.
You sure? You can join us tomorrow for some hiking.
I'll stay here and hike down to the heated pool.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Those kids have no idea what they're missing.
It's so quiet. It's amazing the things you can hear.
That's the music of nature.
The wind, the river, even the branches rustling through the trees.
I recorded.
Just listen closely. When you sleep tonight, you'll hear frogs, owls, crickets, maybe a coyote.
Any lost notes?
You never know.
How about the sound of cooking dinner? I'm starving.
I'm on it.
Ah, ice cream sundae. Thank you, Jeeves.
I love s'mores.
Chocolate and marshmallow on a graham cracker does cover all the major food groups.
Delicious, but a bit gooey and messy. I don't have any problems with them. Did you actually get any into your mouth? I've never seen so many stars.
Once you get away from the city, you see how they completely fill up the sky.
Can I get another s'more to completely fill my mouth? Huh? I look like a marshmallow and chocolate monster. Monsters? Let's tell ghost stories.
Okay, Jamie, you go first.
Well, you all know about the Yosemite monster. Sure, of course. Everybody knows about him. I never heard of him. He's 10 feet tall, with the wings of an owl and fiery eyes that look into your soul. I never knew he was so scary. And when he attacks, he makes the most horrid sound ever heard. They say the only person to hear it woke up the next morning with his hair turned white. It's a monster!
I doubt that. Would you mind dimming your lights?
Belton sour notes!
Great. If anyone can ruin paradise, it's them.
Professor, what are you doing here?
None of your beeswax, bird.
No, we're here to condemn nature.
To commune with nature.
Hey, nature belongs to everyone. Hope you enjoy yourselves. It's getting late. Let's call it a night. As long as they follow the rules, we'll be fine.
The only rule they follow is breaking every rule. This is ridiculous.
I think it's time I go find a park ranger. Hold tight.
That creep is ruining our vacation.
At least we can say we faced the monster of Yosemite.
Good evening, sir. Would you mind explaining the rules to some rowdy campers for me?
Them bozos in the orange RV? They're the ones who knocked down the sign. Any idea where they went?
They've parked in the campsite next to ours. Let's go.
Yeah.